This is more than a channel, it's a movement to reclaim our stories. Welcome to Africa Pamoja, where we tell our stories our way. In Europe's grandest museums, thousands of miles from the soil they were born on, Africa's soul is locked behind glass. Over 90% of Africa's cultural heritage is held outside the continent. The British Museum alone has more than 73,000 African artifacts. But these aren't just museum pieces, they are stolen history. And the world is finally asking, should the thieves give them back? The Great African Art Heist wasn't a smash and grab in the dead of night. It was an organized, century-long operation. From the late 1800s to the mid-20th century, European colonial powers invaded African kingdoms, looted royal palaces, and shipped the spoils to Europe. In 1897, British troops attacked Benin City. They stole over 4,000 artworks, now known as the Benin Bronzes. These weren't gifts. They were war loot. For decades, Western institutions have justified holding these artifacts. They say, we're preserving them. They belong to humanity, not just Africa. But here's the uncomfortable truth. These same colonial powers created many of the wars and instability they now use as an excuse. The tide is turning. Nigeria has begun receiving Benin bronzes back. Ethiopia has reclaimed stolen manuscripts. When African children grow up without seeing their heritage, they inherit the silence left behind by colonial theft. The Great African Art Heist is not just history, it's an ongoing crime. The question is no longer if they should be returned, but when. Follow Africa Pamoja for more content and share your thoughts in the comments.